Are you on a quest to find the most comfortable stay in Manchester? We hear you. Daisybank Villas offers modern and fully furnished en-suites, studios, and one-bedroom apartments with a well-equipped kitchen, helping you easily cook the tastiest meals. The rooms here are not only spacious, but also come with complete ample study space, free Wi-Fi, a wardrobe, and a big comfy bed for you to sink in after an exhausting day at university. Away from your room, you will find some of the most amazing outdoor spaces with huge TVs and comfortable leather sofas, where you can enjoy watching your favorite shows with your friends. Located at the heart of the city in the Victoria Park area, Daisybank Villas is at driving distance from many popular Manchester universities, including the University of Manchester, Manchester Metropolitan, and Manchester College. You'll also find many fantastic quirky areas, tourist spots, shopping malls, and parks nearby the property to explore. So don't wait to kickstart your epic student journey with Daisybank Villas. Head over to amberstudent.com to make your booking today.